Utron Smarter Parking Solutions introduces the Utron Pace automated parking solution, combined with the Utron Smart User Experience ecosystem, offering a first-in-class futuristic parking experience. The Pace system provides an efficient parking solution, reducing the required parking volume, transforming parking space into revenue-generating space. The Pace technology utilizes shuttles to convey the vehicle to and from its parking position. Multiple shuttles could be utilized to achieve higher performance level. The system is fully automated and runs on electricity, requiring no ventilation or lighting, therefore minimizing the carbon footprint and creating an environmentally friendly parking solution. The Utron Pace, combined with the Utron Smart product package, offers a mobile application, luxurious kiosks and lobby screen, driver guiding system, and provides upgrades to electric vehicle charging, cloud-based drivers and clients management, building intelligence tools for building owners, operators, and end users. The Pace technology is designed to accommodate large parking capacity while bringing the user experience to the forefront, resulting in a sophisticated solution for today's modern parking.